Camps and conferences. For the summer baseball camp, the corporate team building weekend, and church youth camp. Be sure to watch best practices at coveryourgroup.com. Accident medical insurance is inexpensive and an absolute need for your outing. From the home page, click on Camps and Conferences. You will see this screen of group protector programs from amateur sports, camps and conventions. Scroll down, you'll see special events such as snow skiing and whitewater rafting trips. Then youth groups. Scroll back up to Camps and Conferences and click on View Brochure/Application. The brochure, which is also your worksheet, will download. Print out the brochure and restart this video. If most of the youth you work with have family health insurance, their family health insurance is their primary coverage. It is not uncommon for family health insurance to have large deductibles and copays, as well as charges for ambulance rides and emergency rooms. These costs are called the excess costs. Therefore, your first decision is if you want a primary coverage policy or an excess cost coverage policy. Obviously, the excess policy is less expensive. If the vast majority of your group has health insurance, but if very few do not, still get the excess policy, which will be primary for someone with no insurance. Page 2 of the brochure. Pick the coverage level that's right for your group. Here you'll choose between primary medical or excess medical. Who in your group is covered? You have two choices for who can be covered: participants only, participants and staff. Whichever you choose, 100% of those individuals are insured. What activities are covered? Any supervised camp or conference activity sponsored and endorsed by the camp or conference, excluding snow skiing. All direct travel to and from these activities. Be sure to read over the medical expense benefits on page 3. Page 4 is our worksheet. Section 5 divides your group into 6 classes of 3 different kinds of camps and conferences. Class 1 and 2 are for day and overnight sport camps such as summer baseball camp. Be sure to check the exclusions. Call the toll-free number in the brochure if you have any questions. Class 3 and 4 are for corporate events, and Class 5 and 6 are for nonprofit and church events. For youth camps, be sure to watch best practices at coveryourgroup.com. These classes offer primary plans and excess plans. The premium worksheet is page 5. Let's do an example. This is the Amazing Corporate Team Building Weekend Conference. We'll arrive at camp on Friday and leave after lunch on Sunday. An overnight corporate camp is Class 4. There is no deductible, and the maximum payment for an injury is $25,000. Most of the folks have family insurance, so we want to pick up any excess expenses if incurred. So we check Class 4 overnight and circle 30 cents. Go to page 5. We are taking 320 participants and bringing 18 staff, 330 people total. The daily premium per eligible person is 30 cents. Premium per day is 338 people times 30 cents equals $101.40. Times 3 days is a total premium of $304.20. Budget this however you want, but the cost per participant is $1.02 per person. For a church or non-profit group, it would cost 54 cents per participant. Okay, you are ready to do this online. Go back to the Group Protector page and click on Camps and Conferences. This time, click on Get a Quote and Buy Online. You will be asked to register with the username and password with the usual questions. The program will walk you through the process very easy. Be sure to watch best practices and check out our free resource section for youth ministers. Have a great trip.